This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been This is an emergency action notification. All cable and broadcast systems shall transmit this message. We interrupt our normal programming at the request of the United States government. At this time, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to their assigned areas. This is WCPN. We will continue to serve the Cleveland area. If you are not in this local area, tune into a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Cleveland area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action notification. All cable and broadcast systems should transmit this emergency action notification. Stand by for a message from the United States government. This message is being given authorization at the request of the United States President and his representatives. At approximately 6:30 p.m. people with inhuman traits and abilities were seen in all 50 states. The humans now called non-people are described by the following traits and abilities: pale skin, bloodshot eyes, bleeding from orifices, bulging veins, foaming at the mouth, 20 miles per hour speed and inhuman flexibility. If you are confronted with the non-people, it is likely you will die. The U.S. military has been trying their hardest to kill the non-people, but more of the non-people keep appearing. 4 billion deaths have been reported. The rest of the world's militaries are expected to die off in the next 48 hours. There is no reason to stay calm. Panic. If you are religious, pray to your higher being. Do what keeps you calm. The national anthem will now play.